You can represent the solutions of simultaneous equations graphically. Solutions to a pair of simultaneous equations represent the points of intersection of their graphs. Let's take a look at this example y equals 3x minus 5 and y equals 3 minus x. First, let's draw the graph for y equals 3x minus 5. When x equals 0, y equals minus 5. This graph crosses the y-axis at minus 5. When y equals 0, x equals 5 over 3. And this graph crosses the x-axis at 5 over 3. As you can see here, this is the graph for y equals 3x minus 5. Now let's draw the graph for y equals 3 minus x. So when x equals 0, y equals 3. And when y equals 0, x equals 3. So, this line graph crosses the x-axis at 3 and y-axis at 3. The graph shown here is the graph for y equals 3 minus x. Now, let's draw the two graphs on the same axis. As you can see here, there is one intersection point. This point of intersection is the solution to the two simultaneous equations of y equals 3 minus x and y equals 3x minus 5. You can read the coordinates of point of intersection from the graph. So, the two graphs meet at the coordinates 2 and 1. And hence the solutions to the pair of simultaneous equations is x equals 2, y equals 1. If you want to be sure, you can check whether this solution matches the algebraic solution to the simultaneous equations. So, y equals 3x minus 5 is the first equation, y equals 3 minus x is the second equation. Substitute 3 minus x instead of y into the first equation. So, it's 3 minus x equals 3x minus 5, 4x equals 8, x equals 2. Substitute x equals 2 into the second equation to find the y value. So, y equals 3 minus x, y equals 3 minus 2, y equals 1. The solution is x equals 2, y equals 1. As you can see, this matches the point of intersection of the two line graphs. Y equals 2x minus 7, y equals 8 minus 3x. First, I'll draw these two graphs on two separate axes. Y equals 2x minus 7. When x equals 0, y equals minus 7. And when y equals 0, x equals 7 over 2. The graph y equals 2x minus 7 crosses the x-axis at 3.5 and y-axis at minus 7. This is the graph for y equals 3x minus 7. Y equals 8 minus 3x. When x equals 0, y equals 8 and when y equals 0, x equals 8 over 3. The graph shown here is for y equals 8 minus 3x. As you can see, this graph crosses the y-axis at 8 and x-axis at 8 over 3. Now, let's draw the two graphs on the same axis. So, as you can see here, there is one point of intersection. The coordinates for the point of intersection is 3 and minus 1. And hence, the solution to the pair of simultaneous equations of y equals 8 minus 3x and y equals 2x minus 7 is x equals 3, y equals minus 1.